Well, today we're here in Fairfax City at Town Hall. This is the 11th annual Fairfax Out of the Darkness Walk. And what this represents today, it's the community coming together to have an honest, safe conversation about mental health and suicide prevention. And so the families and the people that are here today, most all of them have either lost someone to suicide, they struggle personally with a mental illness. And so it's us coming together to support them and to raise awareness and let everybody know that it's okay to talk about suicide. It's okay to talk about suicide prevention, and we want everybody to take good care of themselves as far as their mental health goes.
The Out of Darkness Walk is just a great event. It's citizen-led. You know, this was not a government program. This was something that people all across the country have stood up and said, you know, it's time to bring awareness. It's time to get rid of the stigma. That's what's so important, so that people can get help and treatment. And our county is very supportive of that. And this was a good way to show that support. And so we've got an array of county leaders, from members of the board, deputy county executives, heads of departments, our police chief, fire chief, delegate, sheriff, congressman. We've got a whole lot of people here to show that we are one with the community.
Our annual goal this year is $175,000, and we're sitting at about 75% of that coming in to Walk Day today, so that's very exciting. And one of the things that excites me a lot about AFSP is 84 cents out of every dollar raised goes right to programming. It goes right to our research, because most of the work that is done with this organization is done by volunteers like myself who come out because they have a personal connection to the cause.
I want to thank all the people here. You know, we're looking at tents and groups of people, individuals that came out. I think that really shows that the community does care. The community wants to move forward on helping people and getting rid of stigma, which is the first step, and encouraging people to get out of the shadows and get help. And we're just happy to be a part of it.